Hi guys, I'm Jason Eisenberg of Eisenberg Law Group. Today we're going to talk about a really important United States Supreme Court case that just came down this week. And basically what happened was the United States Supreme Court analyzed and ruled on the issue of whether Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 applies to only male and female individuals or also the LGBTQ community as well. So the Title VII of the Civil Rights Act prohibits the discrimination by employers against employees or potential employees based on sex. So what the Supreme Court had to do was analyze whether the term sex was limited to the traditional male and female gender identities or whether it includes sexual preference and sexual identity. The conservative justices said, hold on, wait a second here. The Supreme Court is not designed to write law or to expand law. The Supreme Court's job is to interpret law, and the writing of law or the expanding of law should be left to the legislature under the separation of powers in the Constitution. The Supreme Court justices also said, the conservative Supreme Court justices also said that the phrase sex or the term sex should be interpreted strictly based on the language in the law, and that should not include any expanding to include LGBTQ. So in essence, they basically said sex means gender identity, male or female, and we're going to leave the law alone. Now, the more liberal justices said, hold on, wait a second here. The phrase or term sex includes anything that emanates from that. So that would include sexual identity or sexual preference in addition to male-female gender identities. So the Supreme Court definitely got this one right. In a majority vote, they ruled to expand Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. And what they did was, in effect, they expanded Title VII to include the prohibition of discrimination against not only male and female, but also against the LGBTQ community as well. So they definitely got this one right. They had to expand the law to make sure that all individuals are protected, to make sure that everyone's afforded the same protection against discrimination under the law, and not to limit it to the more traditional or historic definition of sex or gender identity, as they call it. So this is a really important issue. It's really good to see the Supreme Court, despite the fact that it has a lot of conservative justices on it, it's good to see that the Supreme Court is ruling in a more progressive way. And so that's exciting for us as citizens of this country. And we hope that these videos will help provide you with more information and understand what's going on beneath the headlines. If you have any questions or want more information, feel free to give us a call, visit our website, gcelaw.com, or give us a call, 818-591-8058. Thanks so much.